Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Hey guys, Ziyakhala. You can tell that we are approaching December because wow, Sana. So guys, I know you guys are looking at this picture and wondering, who is this pretty girl? Yes, guys, I was also confused with who is she? She looks familiar. Kanti ke Sana, this is Uthando Dlamuka. This is Utando Dlamuka Kaizini. She got a makeover and she is so unrecognizable. Like you can't even tell that it's her. The only way that I was able to see that it was her, it was under her TikTok account. But other than that, nje Wasana, Siakela must be shaking wherever he is because what the hell? You know? So girl got a makeover. She is looking all cute and stuff. The makeup and installation was done by Mangwane and wow guys, sometimes it's true when they say you are not ugly, you are just broke because money. Siyacela must be shaking wherever he is because this guy doesn't even respect Utando, nje umthathela phansi. Like the disrespect that this guy is giving Utando is just on another level. So I'm just nje wondering ukuthi utheni kahle kahle makambona ugirl glowing and cute like this because she is glowing sana. If I was her man, I would also be shook. I would also be shocked ukuthi hayibo bazomthatha umuntu wami. But yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.